To scale a side hustle into a full-time online business, first identify growth opportunities and assess market demand. Next, build efficient systems and processes, and create a strong marketing strategy using digital channels. Then, diversify your revenue streams. Consider hiring help to delegate tasks, and invest in your own professional development to stay competitive. In this video, we are going to talk about scaling from side hustle to full-time online business. Before we start the video, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. Let's start the video. Scaling from side hustle to full-time online business. When you're scaling from a side hustle to a full-time online business, one of the most critical steps is identifying growth opportunities and assessing demand. Start by studying your current audience. Who are your most engaged customers? What products or services do they love? And what problems do they still need solved? Use analytics tools, social media insights, and feedback forms to uncover what's working and where you can expand. Look for market gaps, emerging trends, and untapped niches that align with your brand strengths. Competitor research is key too. Analyze what others in your space are doing well and find ways to offer something better, faster, or more personal. Then, validate your ideas before committing. Run small-scale tests like limited product drops, pre-orders, or beta launches to measure real demand. If the response is strong, it's a green light to scale up operations, invest in marketing, and systemize your workflow. One of the most powerful ideas is to let data guide your decisions, not just intuition. When you base growth on proven demand, you reduce risk, increase profit potential, and build a business that can sustain itself long-term, transforming your side hustle into a reliable, full-time income engine. Build systems and processes. Scaling from a side hustle to a full-time online business isn't just about working harder. It's about working smarter by building systems and processes that keep everything running smoothly. At first, you might handle everything yourself: marketing, customer service, sales, fulfillment. But to truly grow, you need structure. Start by documenting your daily tasks and identifying repetitive ones that can be automated or delegated. Use tools like Notion, Trello, or ClickUp to organize workflows and manage operations efficiently. Automate essential parts of your business, from email marketing and payment processing to scheduling and social media posting, so your time is spent on strategy, not busy work. Create standard operating procedures for every key process, ensuring that anyone on your team can perform tasks with the same quality you would. Also, consider outsourcing time-consuming or technical tasks like bookkeeping, customer support, or content creation so you can focus on growth, innovation, and turning your online hustle into a professional, scalable business. Create a marketing strategy. Start by defining your target audience. Know who they are, what they need, and where they spend their time online. Build your brand story around solving their problems and making their lives easier. Then, choose the right marketing channel for your business, whether it's social media, email, YouTube, or content marketing, and focus on where your audience engages most. Develop a mix of organic and paid strategies. Use SEO and valuable content to build trust over time, while running targeted ads to boost reach and conversions. Collaborate with influencers, create lead magnets, and run limited-time offers to capture attention and drive sales. Track your results using analytics tools to see what's working and what's not, then adjust your approach accordingly. One of the most powerful ideas is to treat marketing as an ongoing system, not a one-time effort. When you consistently test, optimize, and refine your strategy, your business doesn't just grow. It compounds, turning your side hustle into a full-time, profitable online brand. Introduce multiple income streams. Once your side hustle starts gaining traction, the next step is to introduce multiple income streams to build stability and long-term growth. Relying on just one source of income can be risky, so diversify your revenue by adding complementary products or services that serve your audience's needs. For example, if you sell digital products, consider offering premium versions, online courses, or memberships. You can also add affiliate marketing, brand partnerships, or sponsorships to earn passive income. For content creators, platforms like YouTube, TikTok, and Instagram open doors to add revenue and collaborations, while business owners can expand into ebooks, consulting, or dropshipping. Automate and systemize each stream so it runs smoothly without overwhelming your schedule. One of the most powerful ideas is to create income that works for you, even when you're not working. By diversifying your earnings and strategically layering your income sources, you transform your side hustle into a full-time business that's resilient, scalable, and built for long-term financial freedom. Invest in professional development. Investing in professional development is one of the smartest moves you can make when scaling your side hustle into a full-time online business. The digital world evolves fast. New tools, marketing strategies, and technologies emerge every day, and staying updated keeps you ahead of the curve. Take online courses, attend webinars, or join mastermind groups to sharpen your skills in areas like business strategy, marketing, finance, or automation. Surround yourself with mentors and like-minded entrepreneurs who can offer guidance, feedback, and inspiration. Read books, listen to podcasts, and study successful business owners in your niche to learn what works and what doesn't. The more you grow, the more your business grows with you. One of the most powerful ideas is to view learning as an investment, not an expense. By continuously upgrading your knowledge and mindset, you position yourself to make smarter decisions, adapt to change, and lead your online business with confidence and clarity for the long run. Increase your rates. As your side hustle evolves into a full-time online business, increasing your rates becomes a natural and necessary step to reflect your growing expertise and value. Many entrepreneurs hesitate to charge more, but higher rates not only boost your income, they attract more serious and committed clients. Start by evaluating the quality of your work, the results you deliver, and how your offerings compare to competitors in your niche. If you've improved your skills, gained experience, or added more value to your products or services, it's time to adjust your pricing. Communicate the benefits clearly. Focus on outcomes, not just effort, so clients understand what they're paying for. You can also introduce tiered packages or premium options to give customers choices while increasing your average revenue per sale. One of the most powerful ideas is to remember that confidence in your pricing builds credibility. When you charge what you're truly worth, you create room for growth, attract better opportunities, and transform your side hustle into a profitable, sustainable online business. Create a budget. Creating a budget is a crucial step when turning your side hustle into a full-time online business because it helps you manage cash flow, reduce risk, and plan for growth with confidence. Start by tracking all your income sources and expenses. Include everything from software subscriptions and marketing costs to product materials and transaction fees. Separate personal and business finances to get a clear picture of your profitability. Next, allocate funds strategically. Set aside a portion for reinvestment, such as upgrading tools, running ads, or hiring help, while keeping an emergency fund to handle unexpected expenses. Review your numbers monthly to see where you can cut unnecessary costs and where it makes sense to spend more for higher returns. One of the most powerful ideas is to treat your budget as a roadmap, not a restriction. When you know exactly where your money goes and how it fuels your goals, you gain control over your growth, turning your side hustle into a financially stable, scalable online business built for long-term success. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for future updates. See you in the next video.